Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This meditation is very easy. Start by taking some nice, deep breaths as if you were asleep. Do this for a moment until you feel your body starting to relax. Now, listen for the sound of chimes. Each time you hear them, take a big, lazy, sleepy breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's try it now. Listen for the chime. Inhale and then exhale. In between the sound of the chimes, just relax quietly and let yourself feel sleepy. Take this time just to breathe and rest. Take deep breaths with the sound of the chime. When you hear the chime, you might have noticed a tingle somewhere in your body or mind. Listen now to the sound of the chime. Breathe. Feel. Notice what's happening in your body with the sound. And then relax. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.